Hello everyone. Lal Bahadur Shastri, a name etched in the annals of Indian history, was a humble yet resolute leader who served as the second Prime Minister of India from 1964 to 1966. His life, marked by simplicity, integrity, and unwavering dedication to his country, continues to inspire generations. Born on October 2, 1904, in Mughalsarai, Uttar Pradesh, Shastri's early life was shaped by adversity. His father passed away when he was just a year and a half old, leaving his family to face financial hardships. Despite these challenges, Shastri excelled in his studies and earned a scholarship to Kashi Vidyapith, where he completed his Bachelor of Arts degree. Shastri's political journey began in his early years. He actively participated in the Indian independence movement and was imprisoned several times by the British authorities for his involvement in protests and civil disobedience campaigns. His commitment to the cause of India's freedom earned him the respect and admiration of his peers. After India gained independence in 1947, Shastri served in various ministerial positions in the Uttar Pradesh state government. His dedication to public service and his ability to effectively address challenges earned him recognition at the national level. In 1952, he was elected to the Lok Sabha, the lower house of the Indian Parliament, and subsequently held key ministerial portfolios in the central government, including railways and transport. In 1964, following the untimely death of Jawaharlal Nehru, Shastri was appointed as the Prime Minister of India. His leadership during a period of economic hardship and international tensions proved to be decisive. He introduced austerity measures to combat inflation, encouraged food production through the Jai Jawan Jai Kisan slogan, and successfully led India to victory in the Indo-Pakistani War of 1965. Shastri's leadership during the war was marked by courage, determination, and a firm belief in diplomacy. He famously coined the slogan, Jai Jawan Jai Kisan, which galvanized the nation and inspired a sense of unity and patriotism. His efforts in bringing the war to a swift conclusion and securing a favorable peace agreement earned him widespread acclaim. Tragically, Shastri passed away on January 11, 1966, in Tashkent, Soviet Union, shortly after signing the Tashkent Agreement, which brought an end to the Indo-Pakistani War. His sudden demise shocked the nation and left a void in Indian politics. Books and resources. 1. Lal Bahadur Shastri, a biography, by C.P. Srivastav. 2. Shastri, The Man and His Vision, by S. Dhawan. 3. Lal Bahadur Shastri, A Life of Truth and Courage, by P.D. Tandon. Documentaries and films. 1. Lal Bahadur Shastri, 1966. 2. The Lal Bahadur Shastri Story, 2014. 3. Shastri, The Forgotten Hero, 2019. Lal Bahadur Shastri's life and legacy demonstrate his unwavering commitment to India's progress and self-reliance. Key quotes: Jai Jawan, Jai Kisan. We must have the courage to dare, the courage to succeed, and the courage to overcome. India will become a great nation only when we learn to respect our women. Tributes and commemorations. Lal Bahadur Shastri Memorial in Varanasi. Shastri National Memorial in New Delhi. Lal Bahadur Shastri Airport in Varanasi. Shastri's birthday is celebrated as National Youth Day in India. Lal Bahadur Shastri's legacy continues to inspire generations. His simplicity, integrity, and unwavering dedication to public service set a high standard for political leaders. His emphasis on self-reliance, hard work, and unity remains relevant even today. Shastri's life story is a testament to the power of perseverance, the importance of selfless service, and the enduring spirit of India. Thanks for watching.